In manufacturing process, if you walk into the shop floor, a long bore with L by D beyond 5 or 8 has always been a challenge for manufacturing companies. Invariably, the process will be do half from one side, do another half from the other side. When you do from one side, the boring bar tends to vibrate, and then the surface finish and the size control becomes a challenge. TaeguTec's solution under the umbrella of SweetTech, called Hush Bore, gives you a boring bar ranges which are anti-vibration boring bars. They have the capability to go up to L by D 12 without any difficulty. The entire range is constantly being expanded now. You have a whole range of anti-vibration boring bars under the umbrella of Hush Bore today to solve your bottlenecks in boring long bores in shop floor.